Hello, so I'm back again. So I wanted to use this video to go over how I come up with some of my unique scents. So my first tip is use this. You can use the same scent from different companies, and what I mean by that is this is a mahogany teak wood and this is a mahogany teak wood, but they're both from two different companies. So what I would do is I would take both of these and probably mix it with like a standalone teak wood, and that will give me my unique teak wood. So I would just come up with another name because they're from two different companies, or three different companies basically, because in my fragrance, in my teak wood, I would use teak wood from three different companies and just rename it. Or for that same example, when I'm saying use the same scent from multiple companies, I would use lavender vanilla from this company and lavender vanilla from this company, and either add in a vanilla essential oil or a lavender essential oil, depending on what I want that counter to be called. Or I would go and make two different scents and add in, like I said, either a lavender essential oil, a vanilla essential oil, or just like a standalone vanilla or a standalone lavender. That would be one scent. In the next counter scent, I would use these two, and I would add in like a standalone essential oil or both of them. So that's tip number 2. And when I'm making, okay, so here is another one. This is another one that I love to, this is another mixture that I love to use. Peach Bellini. So peach mango Bellini, I'm sorry. So I would take something like this, which is a peach mango, take a standalone peach and take a standalone mango, mix all of those together, come up, make a name for it, see what, smell around with it and see what you think it smells like, create a name for it, create a description for it. So that's another, that would be another unique scent. So here is where I will go into mixing different mixtures of, like, I guess the same scent. So these are different mixtures of cashmere. So what I would do with this, with something like this, is I would take this cashmere vanilla peach, cashmere glow, and then probably take in like another fragrance oil of cashmere vanilla, add in just like a regular vanilla essential oil or something like this. So these are all just short and small tips on how you can go and make your candles unique to your own self. So when I say in another video I use just simply 2 standalone fragrances from 2 different candle companies. So here's one, Fresh Linen, and here's another one, Fresh Linen. I would just simply take these 2, or maybe even take a Fresh Linen from like a third candle company, mix them together and still call it Fresh Linen. And for that same example, here's it again in Love Spell. Take Love Spell from one candle company, take Love Spell from another candle company, mix them together and still call it Love Spell. In my descriptions, I am always open and clear when I make my descriptions for my candles, and let people know that these are unique scents, so they won't be looking for one scent. I am very open when I tell people that my scents are mixed together, and they may or may not smell exactly like what they're thinking. So please let your customers know to fully read the descriptions, and I promise you I have not had any complaints on doing it this way. So I'm going to take one last example, and I have a candle called Strawberry Delight. So what I would do is I would take this strawberry pound cake from one company, strawberries and cream from another company, and strawberry cheesecake from another company, mix them together, and I call it Strawberry Delight. Thank you.